Hi, this is Olena of Pimple.com and welcome to day 3 of my meditation month. June being the meditation month where I want to develop the habit of meditating every single day. But today I find myself in the beautiful Place de Vosges in Paris, in the heart of the city. Instead of, stopping my meditation habit just because I'm not at home being able to film, I decided to continue on here in the middle of this wonderful park full of people, ambient noises, the sun, the wind, all kinds of distractions. So today's technique is going to be focusing on just the breath. Literally bringing awareness to the breath going in and out of my nostrils. In and out, in and out. And so every time I get distracted or have a thought come in or whatever it is, I'm going to keep trying to focus on my in and out breath. Thank you so much for joining me today, and let's begin this meditation shortly. And we're about to meditate in the middle of Paris in a beautiful park. I'll show you a little bit. That's the love of my life. Since my boyfriend and I are out and about enjoying the day, I thought, I won't let this meditation habit stop us from leaving the house for the next 30 days. And I decided to do it while we're out in the middle of this wonderful area. So in order to focus during today's meditation, what I'm going to do is really focus on my breath. Just the feeling of it going in and out of my nostrils. That will be my technique for the day in order to stay focused. But also, the intention behind today's meditation is just gratitude, enjoying being alive, being grateful for it, especially in such a wonderful setting, such wonderful weather, the sunshine. So that will be the intention. Gratitude, just plain gratitude. So I think I'm about to begin this meditation, and I'm just going to press play on my Insight timer. I'm just going to give a 10-second kind of warm up to the meditation, and then it's going to bing. You're going to hear it. Hopefully, you're going to hear it. And then 10 minutes afterwards, it's going to bing again, letting us know that we can now come out of the meditation. So thank you for those joining me live. I hope you're ready to begin. And then for those of you on the replay, thank you for joining me as well. Okay, I'm just about to press play. Let's do this thing. 1, 2, 3.
Non mais c'est que ça me dérange pas.
Já marcaram? Vão para o hotel? Não, não apanha. Apanhava muito pouco, tipo, apanha uma 4 e muito mal, não posso explicar. Muito no modo não sala. Não apanha, tens que pôr ou na porta do banho, ou no quarto da
Hey everyone joining me. It seems that my boyfriend's phone is overheating. Baby? Yeah, I'll fix it. So I don't know how long I've been at this, but I think longer than 10 minutes. Baby, do you know when I started?
3 something?
Yeah, so this was the longest meditation I've done so far, only because I didn't have a timer. People are like, are you okay? Yes, I was just meditating for a long time. So, let me just get out of it. Alright. That was actually the most challenging meditation so far, and I assumed that it was because of the different, environment, as in it was kind of warm, and then it was windy, and then the sun would be a little too hot, and then various ambient noises were actually quite soothing. But yeah, my mind was quite active, and I found myself needing to keep focusing on my breath. And I feel like when I passed the 10-minute mark, that's when I started getting quite restless. I think for me, so far, 10 minutes is the perfect sweet spot. Thank you for joining me on the meditation. Starvaganaut. Hi, feeling my skin. I just meditated for way longer than I anticipated because my boyfriend's phone got caught in the sun and didn't, like the little meditation timer didn't go off, so I just kept going. And yeah, so after I think 10 minutes, that's when my body and my mind started getting quite restless. And there was this weird moment where I felt like I was rocking back and forth, but I don't know if I was just feeling that inside my body or if I was actually rocking back and forth. So I'll have to rewatch this video and see what happened. But thank you for all of you joining me for this meditation series. I think that meditation is a very important and super beneficial part of all of our lives, or it can be if it isn't already. And for me, like, it's important to turn this into a real habit, and that's why I'm doing full month, all of June, meditation every day, no matter where I am, even if I'm in the heart of Paris, Place de Vosges. Oh, and let me know in the comments below if you meditated with me, like what you felt, any challenges that you may have had, what was your intention behind today's meditation, and why you even want to meditate, you know? And if you're somebody who has regularly been meditating, then let me know like some of the benefits that you've been experiencing in your day-to-day life. I would love to know why you continue this habit and what, you know, has made it worthwhile for you. You know, what tangible benefits you've seen. The meditation is over, and today I was much more distracted than usual because of all the outward stimuli. It was longer than usual because the timer didn't go off, which made me meditate for much longer, and I found that my body was getting kind of increasingly more anxious and distracted, I think past the 10-minute mark, because today was around 20 minutes actually. So yeah, I think my sweet spot right now is 10 minutes, and I really have to ease myself into 20 because at a certain point I didn't really like it anymore. I was getting very antsy actually. But overall, it was a little mini vacation, and I will continue this every single day this June. So if you want to join me, please do at 3 p.m. Paris time, live on Instagram every single day. And if you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this one and more videos on clear skin. Everything related to skin health, including diet, mindset, skincare in great detail, because skincare really matters. If you need any help getting clear skin, then you can sign up for my 28 days of clear skin, where you can get every single one of my 28 best hacks for clear skin in your inbox every single day. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you tomorrow, 3 p.m. Paris time. Bye!